Good morning guys, in front of me is POCO M6 Pro and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first enter the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now select the source from which you want to choose your wallpaper. It can be editor's picks, some from new wallpapers, system wallpapers, or if you'll tap on find more you can browse the online store with wallpapers. Some of them are free, some of them are paid. Just pick whichever you like. Let me choose something from editor's pick. As you can see, there is a lot of pictures, so it's not easy to choose. Let me pick, for example, this one. Tap to preview. By tapping you can see it on both home and lock screens, and then click on apply. Tap on set both to apply it on both, and that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.